Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of one of summer's most iconic fruits. Have you ever wondered how that refreshing, sweet watermelon juice you love makes its way from the farm to your fridge? Well, you're about to find out. We are going on an exclusive tour of a modern watermelon processing factory to uncover the entire fascinating journey. It all starts here, under the warm sun, in vast, sprawling fields where thousands of watermelons are basking, growing plump and juicy, just waiting for the perfect moment to be picked. The journey begins with the harvest. Skilled workers move through the fields, carefully selecting only the ripest watermelons. They can tell a melon is ready by its deep green color, the pale yellow spot on its underside where it rested on the ground, and a distinct hollow sound when tapped. This expertise ensures that only the best quality fruit, packed with sweetness and flavor, starts the journey to become juice. Each melon is gently handled to prevent bruising and then loaded onto trucks, ready for the next stage of its adventure. It's a race against time to get these fresh-picked beauties to the factory while they are at their peak. Once the trucks arrive at the factory, the real action begins. The watermelons are carefully unloaded onto a long conveyor belt, marking their entry into the industrial transformation process. This initial step is crucial for maintaining a steady flow and ensuring that the fruit moves efficiently from one stage to the next. You can hear the gentle rumble of the machinery as the river of green and striped melons begins its automated journey. The sheer volume of fruit is incredible, a testament to the scale of modern food production. Every single melon is on its way to be turned into delicious, pure juice. Next up is the cleaning stage. As the watermelons travel along the conveyor, they pass through a series of high-pressure water jets. This isn't just a quick rinse. It's a thorough cleaning process designed to wash away any dirt, dust, or residue from the field. Rotating brushes gently scrub the rinds, ensuring that each melon is perfectly clean before it moves on. This step is absolutely vital for food safety and hygiene. It guarantees that the final product will be pure and free from any contaminants. The glistening watermelons, looking brighter and greener than ever, emerge from the washing tunnel ready for their first inspection. After their bath, the watermelons arrive at the quality inspection station. Here, trained staff with a keen eye for detail carefully examine each and every melon. They're looking for any imperfections, bruises, soft spots, or signs of underripeness. Any melon that doesn't meet the strict quality standards is removed from the line. This manual check is a critical layer of quality control, complementing the automated systems. It ensures that only the absolute best fruit makes it into the juice. It's a combination of human expertise and machine efficiency that guarantees a premium product. Once they pass inspection, the watermelons continue their journey on the conveyor system to be sorted. This is where technology really shines. Advanced optical sensors scan each melon, measuring its size, shape, and even density. Based on this data, the system automatically sorts the watermelons into different grades and sizes. This sorting is important because different sized melons may require slightly different settings on the cutting machines. It also helps in maintaining consistency in the final product. Watching the melons get channeled into different lanes is like seeing a perfectly choreographed dance, all orchestrated by smart technology. Now for the really satisfying part. Slicing. The sorted watermelons are fed into a massive, automated cutting machine. With incredible speed and precision, powerful blades slice the melons into large, manageable chunks. This machine is a powerhouse, capable of processing hundreds of watermelons per minute. It's designed to cut through the tough rind cleanly, exposing the bright red, juicy flesh inside. The air fills with the sweet, unmistakable aroma of freshly cut watermelon. This is the first moment we really get to see the vibrant, delicious pulp that will soon become juice. With the watermelon sliced open, the next step is to separate the valuable flesh from the seeds. Close-up shots reveal a fascinating process where specialized equipment gently tumbles the watermelon chunks. This action, combined with a bit of vibration, effectively dislodges the seeds from the flesh. The seeds are then sifted out and collected separately. This step is crucial for creating a smooth, seedless juice. It's a delicate operation, designed to maximize the amount of pulp recovered while ensuring no seeds make it into the final mix. The result is pure, unadulterated watermelon flesh, ready for the next stage. The seedless watermelon chunks are now ready to be transformed into a liquid. They are transported into a pulping machine, which is essentially a giant, industrial-grade blender. Inside, powerful rotating blades or presses crush and pulverize the watermelon flesh, breaking down the cell walls and releasing all the delicious juice. This process is incredibly efficient, turning solid fruit into a thick, vibrant slurry in a matter of moments. The machine works continuously, ensuring a steady flow of pulp for the next step. It is here that the watermelon truly begins its transformation from a solid fruit into the juice we know and love. As the watermelon is pulped, it forms a thick, rich puree. This puree flows from the pulping machine into massive stainless steel collection tanks. Seeing these huge vats fill up with bright red watermelon puree is a truly impressive sight. The consistency is thick, almost like a smoothie at this stage, and it's full of natural fiber and flavor. These tanks act as holding reservoirs, allowing the factory to manage the flow of the product and ensure that the subsequent stages are supplied with a consistent stream of puree. The sweet smell in this part of the factory is absolutely incredible. To achieve that crystal clear, smooth texture we expect from a high-quality juice, the puree must be filtered. It's pumped from the holding tanks through a series of fine mesh filters or a centrifugal system. This process removes any remaining solids such as fine seeds, rind particles, or excess pulp fiber. The level of filtration can be adjusted depending on whether the final product is intended to be a clear juice or a thicker nectar. This step is all about refining the texture and ensuring a pleasant mouthfeel, creating a product that is both delicious and visually appealing. Safety is the top priority in any food production facility, and that brings us to pasteurization. The filtered watermelon juice is gently heated to a specific temperature for a short period of time. This process, known as pasteurization, effectively eliminates any harmful bacteria that might be present, without significantly affecting the juice's flavor, color, or nutritional value. It is a critical step for ensuring the juice is safe to drink and has a stable shelf life. After heating, the juice is rapidly cooled back down to preserve its freshness. After pasteurization, the finished watermelon juice is transferred to enormous, sterile storage tanks. These tanks are climate-controlled and made of stainless steel to maintain the juice's quality and prevent any contamination. Here, the juice waits perfectly preserved until it's ready to be packaged. This large-scale storage allows the factory to produce juice in large batches and package it on demand, ensuring a fresh supply is always ready to be sent out to stores. It's the final holding point before the juice is prepared for its journey to the consumer. And now, the final step in the production line, packaging. The juice is pumped from the storage tanks to an automated bottling and capping line. A mesmerizing array of machinery precisely fills each bottle or container with the exact amount of juice. The containers are then immediately sealed with a cap to lock in the freshness and flavor. The line moves at an incredible speed, with robotic arms labeling and organizing the bottles as they go. It's a symphony of automation, ensuring that every single product is packaged hygienically and efficiently, ready for the shelf. And there you have it, from a sun-ripened fruit in the field to a perfectly packaged bottle of refreshing juice. Rows upon rows of finished watermelon juice, stacked on pallets, ready for distribution to supermarkets and stores near you. It's a pretty amazing journey, isn't it? Looking out over the entire factory floor, you can see all the different stages working together in perfect harmony. It's a complex and highly coordinated operation, all dedicated to capturing the taste of summer in a bottle. And behind all this incredible machinery are the dedicated people who make it all happen, overseeing every step to ensure the highest quality. What a fascinating process. Thanks so much for joining me on this tour today. If you enjoyed this look behind the scenes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you in the next video.